Excuse me, señorito. How much is señorito? Do you have a Freeman?
Freeman, oh.
Freeman.
10.
Do you have Espanol Taliones? Espanol?
Saya?
Freeman only, Freeman.
Oh, Freeman.
Freeman, how much is?
10.
¿Cómo estas?
Oh.
¿Cómo estas, señorito? 10 pesos only?
Oh, 10 pesos.
Okay. I'm sorry, señorito. I'm Espanol, señorito.
Oh.
Yeah. By the way, what is this place? What is this place?
Pardo.
Pardo?
Oh. Pardo.
Because I only vacationes.
$1.
$1. How much is?
10.
10 pesos. So I have 40 pesos. 40.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. You have change?
Okay.
Change?
Well, you want Philippine money.
Philippine. So that's dollar.
Dollar rin. Yeah. Alam, money.
So do you accept dollar? No. I don't have Philippine money.
Oh.
So you accept dollar only.
Oh.
So you give me 40.
Oh, 40.
So you can go at the mall to change that.
Ball?
Oh.
No, di.
Señorito, keep the change. That's yours.
Keep the change.
Okay, keep the
Okay.
change. By the way,
Oh.
I want.
Oh. Uno na. So.
So?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, wait. I have one question. ¿Puedes recomendarme un buen restaurante? Where is good restaurant here?
Restaurant?
Yeah. I
Oh.
want to go restaurant. Where?
Restaurant.
Do you have recommendations? Recommendation? Food?
No.
I want to eat Pinoy food. Pinoy. Where? At the mall. What
no.
is? What is Pinoy food there? Delicious food.
This is food?
Yeah.
No.
What is delicious food like lechon or? So where can I buy lechon? Open now? Open?
I'm na 9 open.
9 open?
Oh, Litson.
Boss na ibalit ang bisdak ka ni boss?
Akan bos boy. Paribaw ka rin. Ikaw.
Ya vlog. Boss, ako na ipalit na sa.
Lagi siya.
Ako.
Amin gamang boss. Bong.
Ya.
Ano ko nimo?
Imuha na. Ikali pailit na.
Sige, salamat kayo. Ay, souvenir ba? Souvenir sa Alba.
Ako yatag mo.
Oh, souvenir ba? Souvenir.
Ako yatag mo.
Kabuang tayo ba ka nga? In English ka yan.
Ako yatag mo. Mo na lang 100 ah.
Oh, salamat kayo.
Ya, bitaw ka vlog, bitaw ko boss.
Yan.